Welcome to the mesmerizing city of Mumbai, where dreams come alive amidst the tapestry of cultures and contrasts. Join us on a captivating journey through Mumbai's iconic landmarks, diverse neighborhoods, and vibrant experiences that define the heart of India. Our adventure begins amidst the vibrant mosaic of Mumbai's old and new. Explore the rich history of its colonial heritage, immerse yourself in the bustle of markets, and revel in the lively energy of its streets. Behold the iconic Gateway of India, a symbol of Mumbai's welcoming spirit and historic significance. Discover the stunning views along the picturesque Marine Drive, known as the Queen's Necklace. Step into Mumbai's neighborhoods, each with its own unique character. Traverse the historic charm of Golaba, dive into the artistry of Kaligota, and experience the eclectic vibe of Bandra. Indulge your taste buds in Mumbai's street food extravaganza, from savory cats to mouthwatering vada pavs. Dive into the colorful chaos of local markets that define the city's essence. Immerse yourself in Mumbai's cultural tapestry, where art galleries, theaters, and historic sites unfold stories of India's past and present. Experience the heart of Mumbai's everyday life, from the legendary dabawalas delivering lunches to the bustling local trains that connect the city. Embrace the magic of Bollywood that reverberates through every corner. As the sun sets, Mumbai's skyline transforms into a breathtaking spectacle of lights, embodying the city's dynamic spirit. Join us in celebrating the magic of Mumbai, a city that captures India's diversity and dreams. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a food lover, an art connoisseur, or simply seeking vibrant experiences, Mumbai promises an unforgettable journey. Hit that like button, share the adventure with fellow travelers, and subscribe for more captivating travel content.